What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Well, today on the channel, it's been a little bit of a weird day. The stock market started off up, then it went down. And usually when that happens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they sell off a little bit, right? They kind of follow that trend. But today was a little odd. If you notice, at the end of the day, there was about a $2,000 plus candle to the downside on Bitcoin after we hit $30,000. And we are here to cover exactly why that happened. Jay Seals, take us to the article, man.
All right, so everybody get your tinfoil hats on because I've got a little bit of a theory thanks to cryptonews.net and you today because they think they know what happened. And then Hobbs will tell us kind of behind the scenes or with the candles what happened so y'all can see the magnitude of this drop and then, where things might end up going on. So what's behind the dramatic plunge of Bitcoin? Well, it's Mt. Gox. The drop in Bitcoin's value coincided with an alert from Arkham about both Mt. Gox and US government wallets making transactions. The alert has garnered significant attention on Twitter with speculations running wild. It is worth noting that the connection between these transactions and the Bitcoin crash is still unclear, but timing suggests a possible correlations. So Hobbs, it's crazy because we were both watching the charts when it happened. We were kind of like, oh my God, it's going crazy. BTC is dumping. Lo and behold, Mt. Gox, which everybody and their mother has been talking about, and the US government snagging up all this Bitcoin, now they're making transactions. Oof, that's kind of funny, right? Maybe that's why Bitcoin sold off. I mean, if we remember earlier, FRC, if you don't know, First Republic Bank, they were doing horrible and Bitcoin was going up and up and up and up. And then we got this. So Hobbs, man, tell us what you think. Take us away to the charts. Let's break this all down, bro. We need some explanations.
At the end of the day, right, this is an article and it could be true and it may not be true. However, as a trader, as a day trader for a living, my actual job, right, one thing that I've learned is I don't really care. What I do care about is where we're headed, where we recovered, and where we're headed. So let's take a look at the chart so I can get you to that perspective. Now, if you look, Bitcoin since April 23rd, April 25th, 2023, which was basically last Tuesday, went on an epic rise up to about $30,000 a share. Okay. That rise literally took, from last night, Tuesday, right? Or 3 days ago, Tuesday, basically, hang on a second. Let me take you over here. Last night, Bitcoin went from 27,000 and ran up to 30K. This morning, it started running. Everybody was so euphoric. Well, in one hour candle, right? And this is saying it lightly because if I go over to the 15-minute, you can see this candle took us all the way down to this level. Now, you got to ask yourself, however, why, from a technical analysis point, did we stop at this level? Well, it's because if you understand technical analysis, right, you'll notice that at this level, we had a ton of consolidation at this price, right? Between, we'll say 27,000 and roughly 27.4, we had a ton of buyers still left down here. Therefore, when price came down here, no matter what was going on, once price came down here, we found buyers saw fair value. That being said, price bounced back up and we got a nice little recovery attempting to happen. Here's the thing, if you're an investor in Bitcoin, what you don't want to see is more sellers step in, or whoever this big seller was that brought this candle down. You don't want to see him come in and then when we get back up here, defend his position, or not letting price move above 28,000 like this candle and these sellers start to defend lower. That's what you don't want to see. Now, from a long-term standpoint, I'm going to step back and I'm going to take a look at the day chart, right? We put some of these indicators down here. Everybody wants to know about the bullish perspective. From a bullish perspective, in order for us to move out of this area, we have to get above 32,300. I see us going as far as about 37,000 and maybe 40,000 if we get above 32,000. However, if we keep rejecting this level at 28,400, And in this area, if we keep rejecting this area, we will come back down and retest 25,000. A break below 25,000, and we're looking at about 23 to all the way down to about 18.4, which I think will be somewhat of a low point for Bitcoin. So I hope that helps in regards to the technical analysis. Takeaway from this is don't worry about the noise, because if you have conviction in your investment and you're DCAing with the trading plan, you shouldn't be worried about this investment long term whatsoever, in my opinion. Please let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and see myself and Justin over at the Clear Cryptos Education channel. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.